welcome to the Your Chicagoland Living Show. My name is Sophia Ojuka, real estate broker, coach, and entrepreneur. I serve the amazing Chicagoland area people. Welcome. If this is your first time tuning in, I appreciate you. Thanks for joining. Do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be notified. I usually upload videos on Wednesdays, though I do from time to time jump on and just do a video and answer a question. So today is Saturday. This is the day that I'm usually out and about showing properties to my clients. I have a couple of clients right now. They're looking in the Chicago area and Calumet City area. It's a young guy and he's looking to buy his first home. So we've been out a couple of times. We made a couple of offers. It's been crazy out here with the multiple offers, but it's slowing down a little bit. And some of those properties that were under contract are being reactivated. They're coming back on the market. Yeah. Sometimes you get an offer as a seller that you accept and it seems too good to be true and you take it, the deal falls apart. Remember what I said, you don't count your house sold or bought until those keys are exchanged and the money is. So, okay, today it's kind of a rainy day in the Chicagoland area. Kind of drizzly, the sun's not out, it's cloudy. Not the best time to go looking for properties, but hey, it's an essential. I have to get a place to live. So I'm out here trying to help. That's my Saturday. I hope you guys are having a great one. Be safe. Have an awesome day. And I'll see you soon. Make it a great day.